Okay, Assalamu alaikum once again. Actually, I have already told you the problem, that is my connection is off, so I'm just switching off the mobile data. So sorry once again for this inconvenience. May I request you please join again and please share the video one more time so that my other students, the learners who are not still here in the class, they can come and join the class. Okay, so let's start our today's class. As previously I have already said that this is a review class. Okay, already you have enjoyed this class in your Songshot TV, and then if there is the problem we will solve here. Okay, now our today's lesson is unit 6 lesson 4, boarding the plane. Okay, this time let me check once again if everything okay or not. Hopefully everything is okay. Songshot TV, and yes, if there is the problem we will solve here. Okay, now okay, our today's lesson is unit 6 lesson 4, boarding the plane. Okay, this time let me check once again if yes, now it's okay. Thank you. I can see my friends. Lovely, really, it's very happy to see that I can see you finally. Yes, assalamu alaikum, wa alaikum assalam. Okay, okay, dear learners, can you see the frame? I think, is it okay? Not clear. Okay, the focus is not clear. Okay, I'm okay, dear learners, I will do it. And yes, if there is the problem we will solve here. Yes, is it okay now? Yes, in my device it is okay. Ma'am, not clear. Now, dear Rashid, can you please check now? Check once again. Yes, yes, now it's okay. Thank you. I can see my friends. Lovely. Really, it's very happy to see that I can see you. Finally, yes. Okay. Okay, Mamoon. Of course, I will speak Bangla when it is necessary. Okay, but learners, can you see the frame? I think yeah, it is okay. Yes, Rafiqul Islam said it is okay. Focus is not clear. Okay, okay. Then let's start. Learners, I will do okay. Yes. So what we will do now here? Okay. Okay. Before that, I am sharing this. Ma'am, not clear. Now, dear Rashid, can you please check now? Check once again. Yes. Yes, now it's okay. Thank you. I can see my friends. Lovely. Yes. Yes, Farida, please do comment that where are you from, my dear learners. I want to hear from you that from which part of the country you are enjoying my class. Of course, okay. I will speak Bangla when it is necessary. But learners, can you see the frame? I think. Yeah. Yeah, Priyanti Paul, it's clear. Okay, thank you, Priyanti, Masood. Okay, okay, then let's get started. Okay. So what we will do now here. Okay. Okay. Before that, I'm sharing this. So what is our today's learning outcome? After studying today's class, we will be able to use some new words. We will be able to listen for more information. We will read and understand text, and we will write answer to questions. Okay. So this time, dear students, it is very interesting game. Okay. Do you want to play? Let's enjoy a matching game. Okay. I will give you only 1 minute. Okay. First, see what you will have to do. So here are the words: seized, enclosed, formality, gel and I'll sit. Okay, so here you have 5 words and here you have 5 picture. So the thing you have to do, you have to match the word with the picture. Is it clear? If it is clear, then you will just put the number here. Okay, which word goes with which picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pictures. Okay, so how many time? 1 minute. So get started. Ready? Time starts now. Yeah, Doha, Dhaka, Sheikh Ritu. Okay, dear learners, I want the matching answer. Already, yeah, yes, answer is coming. Very good. Dear student, I can see 153 audience is with me. I like to request you, please do share the video so that the other students of the country can also get the benefit from this class. Okay. So please do it as soon as possible, okay? 3. Yeah, Rafiqul Islam. 1 plus E, yeah. Fatima Nur Jahan. Yes, answer is coming. Okay, and then write. Write down the number 2, 3, 4 like this. Not only one answer. 1 plus the word, put a comma and 2 plus your letter. Like this you will give the answer. You know the answer technique. Yeah. Papia Sultana. Yes. Oshim Mondol. 1 plus E. Oshim Mondol. 1 plus E. Shupti. 3 plus B. 3 plus B. Mukhtar Hussain, 2 plus A. 2 plus A. Right. Rafiqul Islam, 2 plus A. Yeah. And what about 4 and 5? 4E. 4E. Somebody said E. Is it E? 4 plus E. Please look at the word. E is an aisle seat. Is it an aisle seat? 3 plus B. 3 plus B. Okay, you are right. So, what is the answer of 4 and 5? Okay, dear learners. Number 4. Do you have any idea? Yes, 4D. Excellent, excellent. Who wrote this? Mukhtar Hossain. Good. 4D and 5C. 5C formality. Okay, excellent. Excellent, dear learners. I am really happy with you. Now, so you have, tell me the right answer, that is 1 plus E. This is aisle seat. Yes. And 2, this is the seized. Yes. And number 3 goes with enclosed. And number 4 gel. And 5 formality. Thank you. So, let's start the text now. Okay. So, I know you have the book with you. Just I am here reading the text. You can just match my reading with your reading, okay, from your book, or you can also follow the slide, okay. Now, Mita, Zara, Mr. and Mrs. Islam all sit at the lounge. They all have hand luggage with them. Mr. Islam asks, Mita, Zara, are you two carrying any liquid, lotion, gel or cream in your carrying luggage? I have a small lip gel in it. Why, uncle? Well, if it is a very small one, there is no problem. But if you have more than 100 milliliter, you have to put it in the checked-in luggage. These are not allowed on board in hand luggage. Okay, so this is the one part of the text, and look here, I have highlighted some of the information that what we have got from this text. First one, on board liquid is not allowed. Not only liquid, any liquid, lotion, gel or cream. So what is the quantity? Is it a big quantity? No. Just small quantity you can carry, but not more than 100 ml. Is it clear? So more than 100 ml you will not be allowed to carry with your hand luggage. That is what you will carry on board. If you have more than 100 ml you can carry, but that would be in the checked in luggage, that the luggage you have already thrown it in the checked in. Okay, so in that very luggage you will be able to carry, but not in hand on board carrying luggage. Is it okay? And not allowed on board in hand luggage. I think you got the points. Now this is your time. You have to write 2 answers from these questions. Okay, so from that very text I have collected these 2 questions. First one, who had a small lip gel in the hand luggage, and the second one, how much liquid or gel is allowed to carry in hand luggage. Okay, this is very easy. I know you will give me the answer very quickly. So I am waiting for your answer. Give me the answer, okay? Let me check how many of you can give me the right answer. Yes, Mushfiqur Rashid, good. Yeah. Nasrin Akhtar. Yes, dear, we have already go far. Not we are with the matching now. Please. Yes, yes. Oh, excellent, Nasrin Akhtar. Very short answer, but still it is correct. Yes, but I know that as it is in the comment you wrote it very short, but in our answer script when we will write this answer, of course we will write the answer in full sentence. Okay, dear Nasrin? Yes. Yeah. Mitha has a, okay, Fahim Faisal Nafi. Can you please check the spelling of Mita? M-I-T-A. Yeah, Rafiqul Islam said Mita had a small lip gel in the hand luggage. Good. A complete answer. Yeah, Mamun Ahmed, right. Yes, Shishir gave me the right answer. Yes. Gulshan Akhtar, assalamu alaikum. Okay, it's your mother, Sardi. Okay, thank you. Yes, Mita. Lots of answers are coming. Thank you for your nice participation. Yes. More than how much liquid or gel is allowed? That is, এটা নেওয়ার permission আছে. Somebody says not more than 100 ml. More than 100 ml মানে কি? আমরা একটু যাই বাবা, দেখো তো এটা. Yes. If you have more than 100 ml, you have to put it in the checked in luggage. Okay, but what about the on-board luggage? Okay, I have a small lip gel, look here. Well, if it is a very small one, there is no problem. But if you have more than, so you can carry up to 100 ml. Is it clear? 100 ml এর বেশি নেওয়া যাবে না. Yeah, very good. Lots of answers are coming. I am really proud of you, dear students. Okay. Yes, not more than 100 ml. Yes, this time you are right. Excellent. Excellent. So, let's move to the next part of the text. Okay. This is the next part of the text. For security reasons, the officials who do the baggage checking will seize and throw them away. Mita, Zara, Jhuma Islam and Mazharul Islam go through the security checking and wait in the enclosed area. All the formalities are done. Now they are waiting to board the plane. Mita, Zara and her parents board the plane after their row number is announced. Mita gets a window seat. Her seat number is F23C. Zara sits beside her on an aisle seat and her parents sit behind them. Okay, so this is the last part of the text, and here I have again mentioned, highlighted some of the information, that is why the officials will do that thing. The officials who do the baggage checking will seize and throw them. Why? For security reasons. Okay, because if I carry more than things, so it is not permitted. They will throw them away. All the formalities are done. When they are waiting, security checking and wait for the enclosed area, when all the formalities are done, they are now waiting to board a plane. Okay, so before boarding a plane, so all the formalities should be completed. So what are the formalities? Checked in, okay, and what are the things we have previously discussed in our classes? Immigration card, departure card, check the passport, all are the formalities. And here an aisle seat, we have already used this word, but this is a new thing, a window seat. Okay, that means the seat beside the window. So actually not new for you, I know that as it is a review class, you know. But by this time, if you have any more question regarding this text, please ask me through comments, okay, so that by this time I will give you your answers. Now from this text, can you please write down these answers? Look at here the questions. Why are liquid, gel and cream not allowed on board a plane? Okay, and which row is Mita sitting? Is it okay? Why are liquid, gel and cream not allowed? Why? You have to write down the why, the reason. Which row? That means you have to write down the number of the row. Okay, which row is Mita sitting? Very easy two questions. Please write it down and give me the answer. Yes. Yeah, cream allowed on board for security reasons. Who wrote this? Rafiqul Islam. Yes, this time Rafiqul Islam is the first one. Thank you. Congratulations, Rafiqul Islam. You gave me the right answer. Excellent. So active students you are. Yes. Yes. Give me the both answers. Not only one answer. Fatima Noor Zahan, please. Give me the two answers. Yes, Mita is sitting. Row. Row. Which row? Yeah. Yes, somebody is writing the row's number. Yes. Yes. Lots of answers are coming. Really, thank you. Thank you for your nice participation. For security reasons. Yeah, Nafiz, what's your question, dear? Yes. Lutfa Begum, Nafiz, yes, Nafiz Anjum Tanim. Yes, of course. This class is for you, dear. So please ask me question regarding this today's lesson. Okay, I am waiting for your questions. Okay, when I will see your question, I will give you the answers. Okay. Mazharul Haq, what does mean I sit? That means what does I sit mean? Okay. So can you look at the picture here? Yes. Look at here. The I sits. There are two rows, and there is the passage here, and just the both side of the passage are the I sit. Is it clear? So the very side of the passage, both sides here and here, these two are I seats, and beside the window there is the window seat. Is it clear? Hope you got your answer. Yeah, Shahriar, I have already told your question, that is what is I sit. Yes, I sit, ma'am. Yes, lots of students are asking about I sit. So you have just put it here, already matched the picture with the word I sit. This is I sit. In a plane or in a train, there is a passage, and just beside the seat are called the aisle seat. Is it clear? Hope you got it. Okay. Now, as there is no more questions, I will go further. Yes, we have done already this. Yeah. Okay. So why are liquid? We are getting these answers. Why are liquid, gel and cream are not allowed on board a plane? Because lots of students are saying that for security reasons. Yes, that's the right answer. For security reasons, these are not allowed. And which row is Mita sitting? Somebody is writing that row number F, somebody is writing C, somebody is writing the full number. Okay, whatever you write, just write the correct answer, that is the row number F. Row number F23C. This is the seat number, but what is the row number? Row number, can you see the row number? Which one? Just go to the text here. Seat number is F23C. F23C. F, this is the row number, and 23 is the number. Okay. Yeah. What is the meaning of seized? So meaning of seized means atok kora, bondi kora. Okay, hold tight. Yes. Catch. Yes, good. Good collaboration. Thank you. Row number 5. What does enclosed means? Enclosed, dear, enclosed is ghera, chardik diye abodho kora. You gave me the right answer before. Here, this is enclosed. So something closed around. Excellent. So I'm really happy today because you are asking me questions. Yeah. Yes, no more question to know. Now, let's do a very interesting activity. Okay. So what is that? This is a listening activity. Okay. So what you have to do, this is a grid, announcement and information, and you will listen an announcement. Okay. তোমরা একটা ঘোষণা শুনবে, সেই ঘোষণাটা শুনে শুনে তোমরা এই ইনফরমেশন গুলো এখানে ফিল আপ করবে। কি কি আছে তোমার এই অ্যানাউন্সমেন্টে কি কি শুনতে পাবে? There will be the destination, মানে প্লেনটা কোথায় যাচ্ছে, নেম অফ দ্য এয়ারওয়েজ, কোন এয়ারওয়েজে যাচ্ছে, ফ্লাইট নাম্বার, রো নাম্বারস ওখানে থাকবে, এই অ্যানাউন্সমেন্টে তোমরা একটু পরেই শুনবে। প্যাসেঞ্জার্স কল্ড ফার্স্ট টু বোর্ড, কাদেরকে প্রথমে বোর্ড করতে হবে, প্লেনে উঠতে হবে, সেটাও অ্যানাউন্সমেন্টে থাকবে। রোজ কল্ড ফর, ওকে, সো দিস আর দ্য ইনফরমেশন ইউ হ্যাভ টু লিসেন ভেরি কেয়ারফুলি, ওকে। And final call for boarding, so there will be some final call, you will listen to the announcement very clearly, okay. And one is put here, that is destination Bangkok. So when you will just listen the audio, as soon as you will get the information, you will just put the number, put the answer here, okay. This grid is in your textbook, so please write it down very quickly. I will play the audio twice. First I will play the audio, then take a pause, and second time I will play it again, so that you can match your answers again, and if you missed anything you can